Hey everyone, it's Rory with Gorilla Grow Tent, and today I am super excited to show you our brand new Gorilla Grow Bags. Like all Gorilla products, these are designed to be durable, long-lasting, and built for heavy-duty usage. They are packed with custom features that pro growers are going to love, ensuring top-tier performance. Gorilla Grow Bags are the tallest grow bags on the market. Most grow bags are measured in nursery gallons, which just means they're about 30% smaller than a true gallon size. There are a few companies that claim true gallon sizes, but they measure above the grommets and fill line. Gorilla is the only brand that has true gallon sizing measured to the fill line. This additional space is crucial for developing a bigger root mass and producing bigger yields. The additional height also creates more root-to-air surface area, improving air pruning for healthier plants. Our grow bags are made from an industry thickest 600-gram non-woven fabric that is both BPA and PVC free. This exceptional thickness helps protect roots from temperature fluctuations, improves water retention, and increases durability, minimizes root penetration through the bottom of the bags, all while promoting healthier plant growth. The most common fail point of grow bags are the handles. When you're growing with Gorilla, you're growing massive flowers with heavy yields. That's why our bags are equipped with rugged reinforced handles capable of supporting substantial weight. Gorilla Grow Bag handles extend all the way under the entire grow bag, evenly distributing the weight across the length of the handle, eliminating those common tear points. Additionally, we've strategically positioned the handles lower on our bags to minimize root disruption. Other grow bags have handles placed above the fill line, which will distort the bag's shape and impact root growth when moved. By situating our handles below that fill line, we maintain the integrity of the bag structure and reduce any impact on your plant's roots, ensuring healthier growth and stability. We've included metal grommets all around the rim for maximum tie-down points, which are crucial for low-stress training. Low-stress training is a technique that allows growers to manipulate the plant structure for better light exposure across a more even canopy. This approach not only increases the exposed surface area of the plants to light, but also promotes larger and more consistent yields. You always want to invest in durable, long-lasting, and professional grow equipment. Upgrade your gear today by visiting GorillaGrowTent.com. Grow Gorilla, grow strong.